Okay, back with another example here. And just to speed things up, I use the solution feature or the solve feature on here. Obviously, you don't have that, but anyway, you just won't have to watch me type things. But this problem here has to do with, again, dealing with sampling, focusing out of, and if we, again, please use pause and so forth to read this in detail, but there are 1,350 students at a high school, and that's the population. And we want to estimate the number of students who drive to school. Okay. And so here they're kind of guiding you through it. Our goal is to get the sample that best represents the entire student population. And when we do that, we want to select them in a way such that again, each possible sample of the same size gets, in this case, 25 gets equal chance of being chosen. Or as your text says, each student has equal likelihood of being selected. And that would be this third option. When we select things, and this might be from convenience or so forth, you might be in your glee club or, your 12th grade lunch period or something like that, where you have access to all these people, but only these types of people. Obviously, these two methods here, even though we're using chance to select them, we're still eliminating some other possibilities. And so that would be bias, right? There would be a systematic outcome of 12th graders or, glee club here. Whereas this other one here, that third option, it doesn't focus on any school or any particular group within the school. It focuses on possibility of selecting each student. Okay, so that's where this comes from. And the 216, where that's coming from, I kind of have the calculator set up here. Whether we wanted to do 4 out of 25 and get a decimal and then multiply that, by the, total in the school or not, just to show you, again, that works. I hit my equals button. There's where the 216 is coming from. Okay, so we'll, what we could do actually, because those are pretty quick, we can get into another one here. And you could see, again, these are very, similar here. And so if I just use the solve feature here again, notice you're wanting the ones that just randomly select from all students here. And of course, now we're focusing on the seniors here. And so this number here, I'm not going to do it on the calculator. You just take 13 out of 25, and you can just do all one calculation, multiply by, in this case, the population of the 350 students. And you're going to get 180. And, here you can see that that's kind of makes sense here because, half of 350 will be 175. And, so you think about 175 being about half of these students. And so 13 out of 25 is slightly over 50%. So that answer seems to make sense as well. Okay. So we'll wrap this video up and we'll be back with another.